Close-to-ceiling lights offer ambient or general light for many rooms in the home. And close-to-ceiling lights are versatile. They can be installed in bedrooms, pantries, entryways, porches, closets, hallways, and other areas to provide overall illumination. Like other lighting, close-to-ceiling light fixtures are designed in an array of beautiful and unique styles and finishes that make a statement. Close-to-ceiling lights come in two styles. First, flush mount lights are installed flush to the ceiling. This fixture is ideal for rooms with low ceilings 8 feet or less, such as hallways, pantries, and closets. Semi-flush mount fixtures have a light source, shade, and other decorative elements suspended from the ceiling by rods, chains, or other extensions, creating a gap between the light and the ceiling. Semi-flush mount lights are ideal for laundry rooms, entryways, and foyers when a chandelier or pendant may be too large. Close-to-ceiling flush mount lights typically range in size from 12 to 24 inches. Semi-flush mount lights can range from 6 inches to 23 inches or more. A general rule to determine what size fixture to select is to add together the width and length of the room. The total equals approximately how many inches the light's width should be. For example, for a 10-foot by 12-foot room, select a fixture about 22 inches in width. Progress Lighting is committed to creating luxury lighting fixtures that become the statement, the art piece, and the focal point of your home. With over a century of lighting technology, leadership, and engineering, we manufacture the highest quality, energy-efficient lighting fixtures that are beautiful, offer stellar performance, and are easy to install.